Why does your scanner show the P242B engine code? What does it mean? P242B is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit range or performance bank 1 sensor 3. It indicates that ECM has detected a malfunction or fault in the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, bank 1 sensor 3. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Excessive carbon buildup. Exhaust system issues. ECU or PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Jeep, Audi, Dodge, BMW, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.